What's going on, everybody? This is Shravan here from 121 Tech. In this video we're going to unbox and review the brand new wireless earphone which is from OnePlus. It's called OnePlus Wireless Bullet Z. So without any delay, let's get started. Let's talk about some of the features we get along with this earphone, that is a OnePlus Wireless Bullet Z. So one of the main feature you get is you just have to pair with your phone, and if you want to connect with your phone later on, you just have to connect this magnetic bud each other so that you can connect with your phone. And another feature you get along with this earphone is you can find this button over here. So if you want to switch between another device, that is if you are paired with your laptop or your phone, and if you want to switch between your laptop and the phone, you just have to press this button so that it will disconnect from your phone and it will pair and connect with your laptop. That's one good advantage. I shout out to the OnePlus guy. They find out this annoying thing that exists in the wireless earphone, and they resolved in this particular earphone. And I probably won't recommend this earphone if you're using a phone with old school micro USB cable to charge your phone, because of the one reason: this earphone comes with the Type-C cable. So in order to charge this earphone, so that if you're using a micro USB cable to charge your phone, you probably have to mess up with the charger, because this earphone doesn't support the micro USB cable. So if you're using a Type-C cable to charge your phone, then I probably recommend this earphone to buy. And if you're using micro USB cable, I recommend another earphone which is called a Realme wireless earphone, which comes with micro USB cable in order to charge. And one more the disadvantage that I feel about this OnePlus wireless earphone is when you're playing the PUBG game and all, you feel that latency. That's when you're shooting the fire and all, you feel a little bit of lag in this earphone. So that is one of the disadvantages. And other than that, this is the best earphone at this price range. Right now it's priced at 2,000 rupees in Amazon, and you will get it even on the OnePlus website. And another extra option I'll give it to you, that is a Sony W200 and W4 series, etc. That is another extra choice that you will get using the Type-C cable. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to get a more video like this, the review and unboxing all this stuff, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put a new video on this channel. See you guys next time. Peace.